Alright guys, so I wanted to make this. I'm probably gonna make this 2 videos because it's way too long. So I'm gonna make this 2 parts. So we're gonna end up installing. So got the Donald's Lexus. So we're gonna be installing these. So we're gonna be installing this 40Ks with the hookers. Oh, Spencer, my bad. The boy. So yeah. So we're gonna be trying to hit the floats like these. Sorry. So I think I'm gonna hit that shit on time lapse, so I don't board you guys. So yeah, all right.
That bitch just want a tip, that bitch just want my jerk. I pull up on these hoes, I'm riding that spaceship. These hoes, they want my pole, these hoes want the dick. This bitch just want young cat, Pia on the track. She give me back, tatted on the back, I'm tatted on her neck. You can't call it back. Shawty wanna live, shawty wanna live, shawty wanna roll, shawty wanna get, shawty wanna pop, shawty wanna lick. And I still pop pill, and I go on drill. Shawty wanna fuck, she just wanna feel. I be on the X, I be on the pill. Bitch, you wanna fuck my ex still. Trapping in the hill, so one in the hill. Better how I feel, Bentley cool, no deal. Bitch, you wanna fuck, shawty wanna feel. 100,000 flows, 100,000 flows. Switch up like I for clothes, switch up like I chain hoes. Got a lot of the hoes, got a lot of cold. Got a body low, nigga overdose. Yeah, my swag so clean, hey, bad bitch just on me. Ooh, bad bitch wanna fuck, yeah, TMZ, Gucci coat tip. I spin it here, shawty got it big, shawty wanna live, fuck her in the crib.
She probably be the good, I probably stuck it back, stuck it in my hat. It's corner to the wall, never get what I want. I chasing no BA, we coming for the throne. I see the beat of death, running from the up. We back in corner store, we drilling on my block, waving around my cock, talking on that Glock, back on block. She ain't never stopped, she didn't wanna fuck. I be on the X, she be on the pill. We aim right for her neck.
Alright guys, so yeah, we're back, and I don't know why the fuck I started taking the back seats. I started taking the back seats off. I put them back together already, but I started taking the back seats for no fucking reason. I was just tweaking. I was like, yeah, good thing that Donna kind of noticed that. So we got the springs out already. Oh, my shit's tweaking. So yeah, this is the old springs, and that's the new ones. So yeah, just that's the difference. To you. That's it, pretty much. The back is pretty easy. The front is the one that we're gonna have to take the front shock out. Ooh. Shit, told me we're trying to do a record. Don't I got the pit crew going right now. No, I say you should have told me you want to break a record right now. This was working like on the picker right now, like it's already on the front. I was like, all right. I was trying to see this. What's going on over here? Let's go. Hold on. That's crazy. Look. That thing that I put the spring in the back and that's just dangling. We're gonna have to aim that motherfucker. That's crazy. Yeah, so we'll see. Oh man, I don't know if I'm ready for this. So that sleep goes. Oh yeah, it's to complete. I don't think those like that. Yeah. Oh, but that sleep's fucking up. Just cut the little bit that is fucking up. Pull it through, yeah. I mean, I don't think it's good. Yeah, just compress. Like, once you cut the top off, we didn't really go that much higher, so we're good. So now I just fuck with the camera too, no? Yes. Max it. Yeah. Better look at it. Yeah, so we're currently taking up the camber bolts plates to see how we can tweak them to get a little more camber out of them. If you're out in Cali, stay out there safe with all these fires.
And as these fires do continue, we know that there are people just trying to pick up the pieces, trying to, they're under evacuation orders. Many of them don't have a home to go home to. We want to go out.
Just get my wound cleaned real quick. Do your thing. No, I'm just saying. I'm not gonna max it out like that. Oh, might be onto something.
To make the recovery process as seamless and supportive as possible, and to make sure.
So good afternoon. The Eden fire is now estimated to be 14,117 acres, with 15% contained structures are damaged or destroyed, again Monday through Wednesday. The Los Angeles County Fire Department will be prepared. These winds, combined with low humidities
Yeah, so I need a chill more quiet right here. Sorry guys, I got in my head. I'm like thinking about this fire too. It's too much going on. I'm right here doing this. So yeah, I need something to maybe open it up a little more, but honestly, I'm not even gonna stress it because you don't get a lot from these. Well, you. Yeah, I want to hurry up because this wind is kind of picking up and I don't trust it. Damn. Yeah, you see that? Hey, I'll say, don't fucking tie them like that. You didn't cross with that shit. Find out. No, this one earlier. No, right now how you put it on the gun like that. Oh, no.
But this one earlier wasn't coming off.
This one was fucked up. Okay.
I think it's this one.
Oh. Oh shit. There you go.
That's it.
So right there. Alright guys, we're gonna battery's about to die, so yeah, I'm gonna get my other battery and then I'm gonna just swap this one out. You guys don't need to see all that. It's pretty much what I did on the other one, but do it on the other side, so be back. Cool. And so we're almost done. Put all those pretty quick. Put all those springs in. Thanks to Shorty. Looking we went in clutch on this one, so yeah, we're about to drop it and see how it looks. Cause fuck, should drop a good amount, a significant amount. So we'll see if we can get it out the driveway. That's another shit too. I'm about to fucking tirada. wing's pretty good. It went a little low right now when we moved it. So.
Your boy took him.
Yeah, so that was pretty quick, pretty fast. Fuck, camera's tripping. Yeah, so that was pretty quick, pretty fast. We're about to go get some food, and I've been waiting all day. I've been waiting 3 months for this shit. So yeah, we're gonna grab some food, and then we're gonna go meet up Devil's work to pick up my wheels finally. So yeah, so stay tuned. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see how it is out the driveway. Not too bad, I don't think. Just see. Not bad, huh?
I fell in love with the money, fell in love with the drugs. I fell in love with the drink, guess I'm stuck in the mud. She a freak and she know it, that bitch stuck in the club. If this rap don't work, I'm running off on the plug. I can see you pussy niggas through these cardies. Ayy, we done brought the pistols in the party.